Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is for microcontroller subject, and this is for lab 2. And for this lab, we have 4 parts. That is part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. And this video is for part 1. Okay, and for the part 1, the question is we have to develop a simple implementation for analog measurement. And for the instruction, we have to draw a circuit to interface a variable resistor, an ADC, and a LCD display to an 8-digit 8051 microcontroller on the purchase simulation. And for this task, we have to capture an 8-bit result of analog to digital conversion of analog input to port 1 of the 8051 microcontroller. And for part B, we have to display on the LCD the analog value of the 8-bit input. Okay, first we start the coding. And this is the coding for part 1. First, the main function we have to include for register, and we define the ADC port for part 1 because in this part we have used the ADC. This is the function when we declare the port, that is INTR, WRID at the ADC, and this is for LCD port, RS, RW, and EN. And for this function, it is function for delay, both delay and S, and this is for LCD command, this function to send command to LCD. And this is for LCD data, the function to send data to LCD. And it is for LCD initialize, and this for LCD position, that is to position the cursor in LCD. And this is for LCD put char, that is function to put a character in LCD. And this is for LCD put, that is to put string in LCD. This coding is fixed, that means we can just copy it to use for another task, for the different task that is have a LCD. And this is the main function. In this function, we set the port at the ADC, and this is for LCD. This is delay with 50 seconds, and this function is for delay. As you can see, this I and J is 1 to 5 for delay, and this is the function for the LCD. As I mentioned earlier, this function is fixed, so we can just copy and use in other tasks that we have to use the LCD. Okay, and for this is function for the LCD command. As you can see, here we set the port at the LCD, this RS, RW, and delay, and this is same for the LCD port. And this is for the line in the LCD. As you can see, this LCD in this task we use 16 times 2 LCD, that is have 2 positions. It have 2 lines, and this is for the line 1. We set the position for the line 1, and this is for the line 2. Set the position, and this is for put the function, and this is for put the character. We set the character that we want to put. For this task, we put the number 0 to 255. And this is to convert and display. The coding is for the analog to digital conversion, that is from 0 to 255. I will explain this on the simulation. Okay, we go to the simulation, and this is the simulation for part 1. This is the main circuit for the part 1. You can see this is the 8051 IC, and this is the ADC, this is the LCD space, and here this is the voltmeter, and this is the variable resistor. This is variable resistor to to adjust the reading that will display on the LCD. And this is the basic circuit for 8051. Okay, after we done coding and just wait. Okay, I already put inside the IC. Okay, as you can see here, the display is display 000 number, which means this time it was in the position, it was in a low bit position, because in this variable resistor we set 5 volt, and right now the value of the variable resistor is 0 volt, so it will display 000. That means it is in the low bit. So I try to increase a bit from 0 to 1.5 volt. As you can see, the number will change to 76 from 0, and I increase more. It is half of the value from 5 volt. I increase to 2.5, and the number change to 1.7. For this task, we have to capture the 8-bit result of analog to digital conversion, and we have to display on the LCD the analog value of the 8-bit input. For the 8-bit input, for the low value is 0 and high value is 255 for 8-bit. So if I increase the variable resistor to very high value, and you will see the display, it display the number that is 255, which means right now it is in position in high bit. So the value of 8 bits of analog input is 255, and you have to display the LCD on the LCD that the value of 8 bit input, and this is the value of the input that is high value 255, and it increase from 0, change from 255 to 0. So this is the stats for part 1. Thank you.